So now to simplify this, we simply expand the first bracket, then this can be written as minus a power of 3 times minus a power of 3 times a power of 4 all over. Also to expand this, we write a minus a of 2. We multiply minus a 5 times. We have minus a times minus a times minus a times minus a times minus a. By applying the addition law of indices, we have 3 plus 3 plus 4 all over. Also, we apply the addition law of indices after we simplify the negative. Minus times minus times minus times minus times minus is up to 5 times. Therefore, we are going to have 1 minus. Then here is power of 1, power of 1, power of 1, power of 1, power of 1. Then we apply the addition law because they all have the same, they are all the same basis. Therefore here we have a 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, a power of 3 plus 3, 6 plus this 10 all over minus a power of 5. According to the subtraction law, when you have the same base, you just subtract their power. Therefore, this minus is transferred to the numerator. We have a power of 10 minus 5. Finally, we have minus a power of 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you will be notified whenever we upload the next video.